Yes. Don't worry.
Baby la good.
Don't worry.
Baby la
Knock him around. Knock him out. Knock him out. Go.
Can I know my offense?
That's good. Excellent.
Yes. You gonna explain that? Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Go back. Okay, hold it.
Hey! Yes! Beat him! Yes, finish him! Yes! That is it! Winner!
Yeah! My eye! Hey!
Jesus!
Just a play.
What be this?
God have mercy upon us.
Boss, this system is very complicated. I can't access it. I think we should just take this system to our employers. They just give it to them. We've gotten our lead. There's nothing else to fight for.
No. I need to know what is very important that we are looking for. I really need to know the content of this system. I want to know what we have been killing ourselves for.
Okay, in that case, I think we need a hacker.
Yes. Call Zeal immediately. Tell him I need him now.
Okay, boss.
I really need to know what we are looking for. Call him now.
I've been able to track my laptop, so it's on. I just noticed that they're trying to get access to the laptop. Can you find out where this laptop is right now? Yes, I already have the address. This is where it is. Good work. Send this address to Sammy.
I've seen this.
Both of you. Find this laptop. Get me this laptop now. You can lock it from here. That's what I'm trying to do. Not sure.
Bisten, please, why did you call me out here?
Kebam, calm down. Calm down. See, I know we have not been in good terms. I know things have just been happening left, right, back, forth, center, anyhow. But you see, there comes a time in a man's life where he needs to calm down and seek help where necessary. I know you are now very good buddies with Mr. Azu, and I'm here with the authority of the national caretaker, but with humility, not with pride, to beg you to help me beg Mr. Azu to drop all the charges against me. Please.
First of all, I want to say this. I want to put this thing straight. I'm a man of peace.
Yes, I know.
I love an environment where there is serenity.
I have seen it.
In fact, I love when there is absolute tranquility in a place.
I have noticed it.
But one thing I wouldn't want to do is to find myself entangled between the dispute and the between you and Mr. Azu.
No, don't be found inside though. I'm just saying intercede.
Unfortunately, I cannot be able to intercede for you because anything that partakes Mr. Azu, as from in fact yesterday, I am no longer available. In fact, my hands are no longer there that I cannot be able to help you. Unfortunately.
Now, you can still do something. Just help me talk to him to drop the charges. See, as a matter of fact, I don't want to sound as though I want to bribe you, but I can still give you something, for helping me. For helping me.
Bisten, unfortunately, you still don't understand me or try to even understand the kind of person I am. I am a man that when I say something, I mean it. Like I said, I can't help you. Anything that has to deal with you and Azu, my hands are not there. My hands are tied. Excuse me. Hey.
What do you want?
Love did not used to die like that. Love did not used to die like that. And I know that you are very angry. But because of what happened. But because you took Mr. President sent me to you. I know that you are very angry. I cannot explain how I fall in love with you.
Respect yourself. I've always known ladies from the western part of this country to be best in relationship, but your own is a worst. No, they are pushing you to that. Don't worry, I don't want to.
Check back and say I fall in love with you, Riri. I say I fall in love with you, Riri. Now it's not why I came here now. Let's come and say sorry. Let's come and say sorry.
It's okay. You fall in love with me. I fall out in love with you. I'm no longer interested.
No, I cannot fall out in love. Cannot fall out in love.
What be this?
Cannot fall out in love. Cannot do anything. How come I can't fall out in love? We fall out with love. Cannot fall out in love. Cannot fall out in love. Me I fall for you. I don't even know how you can. I don't drama. Pay for heart here. I fall for you. Me I will not fall out in love.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
You cannot fall out in love. You cannot fall out in love.
It's okay. I love you too. It's just that you're allowing people to distract our love. Why would you allow Benistan to use you?
So you don't know you love when you see you love me. You don't know you love when you see you love me.
Okay, stand up.
Do not pay. I was so full deceiving Benistan.
I love you, huh? It's okay. I love you. I don't listen to Benistan again, no.
I was so full deceiving the idiot.
Okay.
Yes, because when I fall in love with you, you have stay where I fall in love with you. I just say, let me just be, maybe be doing Jacob and Jacob.
I know you are deceiving Benistan, but the problem is that you didn't tell me. Ordinarily, you would have called me and say, okay, I'm deceiving Benistan.
I love you.
They play! Just they play!
I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are the sugar in my tea. You are the banana in my apple. You are the water in my life.
Baby, I want to eat shawarma.
Hey, shawarma. Shawarma, baby. Bella, shawarma, baby. Shawarma.
What?
Madam Bella, I don't know you like this, so. We have been through a lot of things, even worst case scenario than this one. All of a sudden you just deserted me.
We'll say what you want to say.
Okay, I will keep it simple and short because there's no time to even check time. See, why I came is I came to beg you to help me beg your love, Mr. Azu, to drop all the charges against me.
You want to spoil my relationship, Abby? Relationship that I've tried, I've been looking for single, want to kill me. And now finally come and fall in love with the man after my heart. You want to come and spoil it? Ah!
No.
Betrayal cannot work for you.
No, wait, see.
Hey! Ha! I know you want to come and scatter a relationship that I've managed to have. It cannot work for you. Yes. Anybody will tell you who can come and put us under between the thing where God have helped me to join together. Ha! Me when we are single as clothes since how many years have we are single as garments? I removed the single garments finally. I finally see cement where they good enough. Why I go to build relationship? I will sit and build my relationship. We want to come and scatter it cannot work for you.
Yeah. See, Madam Bella, this one talking about relationship, love. This was not the plan now.
I will carry your plan and go back to your house. I fall in love with Mr. Azu. Yes. And you see all the charges upon you. We will see you in court. Yes, because I'm going to be there. I'm going to come alongside. Yes, we will see you.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Hey, my love. Love for me.
Waiting be this.
I could have killed a lot.
Hi, let the single go away. People cannot breathe. We will suffocate all of you. There is no breathing for the single. If we want to be single in this generation, it's death you are calling. Hi, we the relationship people.
How did Sammy rescue you? I was in the place where they're supposed to protect me, guide me safe, those guys. So I overheard the conversation. They were saying outside that there's a threat, they have to take me out. I don't know what they were trying to do, but immediately they took me out. Sammy double-crossed them and rescued me.
You did not call Sammy?
No, I did not call anybody.
How did Sammy know your location?
That's what I don't know.
Hillary. Sammy. Hillary. Sammy. I just won the laptop. Sammy, you're smart, you know. Hillary, I just came here for the laptop. Sammy, I know what you did. Hillary, I just came here for the laptop. That's all I want. Just give me the laptop. I don't want to hurt you. You have to come through me first. Okay, how about we split this 50-50? Never. Not after all I've worked for. Okay, you know what? How about we put these weapons aside and fight this man to man? I've been waiting for this. Okay. Oh! Phew.
Tell me everything Sammy has told you. Since he rescued you to this time. When he rescued you, where did he take you to?
Okay, I was supposed to take a call, so he collected my phone and threw it through out the window like my phone is gone right now. And he asked me if I know where your Moonlight NFT is.
I want you to turn on your laptop now and transfer Mark's Moonlight NFT to my wallet right now.
The one Kevin contracted me to keep safe, so I had to tell him because it was at gunpoint. My laptop that has the key log is not here. This is my gaming laptop. My main laptop is in the house, so we'll need to get it. Then he said I should go back to the house. That's my laptop that is missing. That we should go back, we should turn the car and go back to the house and get that laptop.
Lamba, turn this vehicle now, let's go to his house.
If you already knew that your laptop was missing, what was that drama? Why did you act as if you did not know?
I don't know what his game plan is. When we got to the place and the laptop was not there.
My laptop, it's gone. My laptop was there.
I checked.
CCTV, let me check the cams.
I told him, he said we should come to Mark.
You know what? I'm taking you to Mark. And don't mention any of this to him. And don't let him know I came looking for your laptop. Do you hear me? Now pick that laptop up and let's go. Pick it up!
How are you doing, Olaf?
Okay. I swear that's the truth. I don't know anything.
Hello, boss.
Kevin, Sammy is after the Moonlight NFT. He wants the laptop. Don't let him out of your sight.
Shit. boss.
Hello, Kevin.
Sam is gone with the laptop.
Who are you and what do you want?
The question is, who are you? Because who I am is on a need-to-know basis. We are here because of who you are. Look, I know that you work for the State Security Department. I also know about your unit. We know about the covert unit. But I need something. I did not come here to make introductions. You have a rogue agent in one of your holding facilities, zoos. I need him out. I need you to release him in 3 hours because I need his service.
You know what you're asking is not possible.
I know how impossible it is. And that's the reason why I have come to you, because it is impossible with you. However, it is very possible with your colleague. And you know what I'm talking about. He's a very difficult man to find. I have looked for ways to contact him. And I'm sure you know how to contact him. Find him, let him pull the strings, and get Zeus out within 3 hours.
My colleague is actively undercover right now, as I'm talking to him.
I know your colleague is undercover. Whatever means your agency uses to drag out your undercover agent, use it, employ it. It is very important. Tell whoever you worship, tell him that it's of utmost importance and your life depends on it.
You think because your dog is pointing gun at me, I will do anything you want me to do?
You are still holding the gun. I did not know you are holding gun. Bring down the gun. Be a gentleman, my friend. Look, bring down your hand. I'm a gentleman. We are here for dialogue. However, it is not because my dog is holding gun. That is not the reason I want you to do what I want you to do. This is a confidential document. I believe you recognize the content. Open it. These are evidence of the LLM operation in 2017. These are evidence. Open it. I believe you recognize it. I want to go to the press. I have bulldogs, wolves waiting to devour this information. I want Zeus out of your holding facility in 3 hours, or you will make headlines.
Excuse me, Hey!
I greet everybody. I called for this meeting and I thank you all for honoring this meeting. The reason why I called for this meeting is to discuss about something very important. First of all, I want to say I respect your government. You are doing well. But there's one thing I know, and that thing is no man is perfect. Sometimes you might be doing the right things in the wrong way. I care about each and every one of us here in this compound, and I just want to quickly put this into light because there must surely be somebody who will stand in the light and somebody who is always willing to say the truth no matter what. And the truth here is, I think the way you've been handling things in this compound is becoming way out of line. Maybe you're not seeing it because I've seen the way you handle Bisten and as much as how Lolo handles him.
Hold on, Kibram. Can you just repeat yourself? Can you just repeat what you just said?
What I'm trying to say is that the method that you're using to go about the affairs of this compound, especially when it has to deal with Bisten, is quite wrong and too harsh. Even your Lolo too, because I've seen what she's been doing to Ebiri, making her dress in a form that she doesn't want to. I don't believe that somebody's way of dressing has anything to do with the affairs of the compound, whether it's going up or going down. So I just came to like make it clear, and as a friend, to tell you the truth, you need to reduce this hand because I think you're beginning to get the whole thing wrong.
Kibram, I want to ask you something. Are you part of justice or part of injustice?
I am part of justice and I stand with and for justice.
Are you part of this administration or you are against us?
Your Highness, I will be honest with you. I was until
it's okay, hold it here. Listen, Kibram, I think you are biting more than you can chew. No, because I listen to everything you tell me, you think you can come here to talk to me anyhow? No, you feel you can come and question my authority. Are you the one that made me king? Kibram, did you make me the king? Kibram, are you the one that gave me this authority? No, because I listen to you. You think you can come here, call meeting, and you come and talk nonsense?
Think about your life!
Kibram, if you don't take time in the next few days, I'll order your detention.
Are you playing?
And nobody will give you food.
This is playing?
Or you go to the farm and start farming for me. Be careful.
With due respect, Mr. Azu, I don't think that would be a fight you want to start.
Address me as a Royal Highness. Don't call me Mr. Azu.
No problem.
Your Royal Highness.
Good.
I don't think that is a fight you want to start.
I'm happy you are seeing it for yourself. I'm happy you are seeing the way he has been acting. Eh? He's saying, did you make him keep? I was one that made you. I made you. This is how you have reduced me.
Oh.
You have reduced me to nothing.
Oh, I understand.
You have reduced me to nothing.
This is the game. So two of you are now from Niger Republic.
Mr. Azu, what they are saying is...
Come on, keep quiet. Who are you to talk when you're away? Who are you? Who are you to talk when men are talking?
Me, I'm just saying my own no.
I will seize your movement.
Continue.
I will seize your brain. I will seize everything about you.
Okay.
Mr. Azu, I have told you my truth and I have told you my peace. No problem. Better listen.
Kibram, I see you are about more I can do. I will restrict your movement in this country.
All I know is I've said my piece. If you like listening.
Kibram, I will restrict your movement.
This is you are doing. You see it. One of the things you will hear. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house.
Isabella cannot be telling me what to do. You cannot be telling me what to wear.
No, listen. You can go and bring your coat to this compound. I own this compound. No, I own this compound. I'm the one of this compound. They cannot do anything. Let us go and bring Mark. The worst you can do is to go and bring Mark back to this compound. No, the worst you can do is to go and bring Mark.
Calm down. You might also always say every time you are with this man, every time you are with this man. Then now you see that you have given us public disrespect because you are giving him hand. You are giving him hand. And I know what you are going to do. Alright, bye.
Wetin be this?
Are you playing? God, what type of slavery are you?
Think about your life.
This not. I'm dreaming. Hey, young girl. Excuse me. Shepherd, do you have a twin sister? Why? They won't get my compound name is Ebere. Who's called Ebere? Who look exactly like Annie.
Oh,
Okay, yes, she's my twin sister.
Jesus! I said I could have said.
It is smoky, boo.
This is twin sister. She did not take back. I don't hate our cover like this.
Okay.
Because I found you. She cannot dress the way you are dressing. But you people have people to dress anyhow. You cannot enter the cover like this. He cannot
God have mercy upon us.
He's got twins. He's not listening because Koleshe.
An operation? Yes. I thought CP has taken care of this.
Obviously, he didn't.
Who is this person? And how did he get this?
I don't know. And he's serious about releasing this document to the press.
We can't let that happen. So, what do we do now?
I think we should release Zeus.
Release Zeus?
Yes. See, the best thing is for us to release Zeus. While he's out there, we'll take care of him and take care of this person.
No, that's risky. This is what I think we should do. You have to arrest whoever gave this to you and make sure no one else have access to this.
This is where they are going. Kilo day every time. Somebody just spread clothes you will not adapt my coming close to dry. Pala will lay bad, you know, like this thing.
Take a hide the baby and the waiting
with this. Hey, young lady. Hey, school moving. Are you half twin sister?
Mr. Azo, you have to sign here. Sign here. Azo, sign here now.
My friend, sign that document. You can't echo. Eh? Okomoko.
I told you to come to this.
Rubbish.
Hurry up.
You're doing like this. Who do you think you are? Eh? Have you signed it? Let me see.
It's done.
Good. Hold it. Now, remove that thing from your head. Remove that crown from your head. If you look at me 2 times, I will stand beside your face. Come on, remove the crown. Remove it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Remove the neck bead. Remove the neck bead.
Let's start from that one.
No. I will cleanse the head before I put it on this royal head. Okay. Give it to me. Remove it. All of them, in short. Even the clothes. Remove the clothes.
Okay, don't make that mistake.
Remove the clothes. Give me. Nonsense.
God have mercy.
I told you. I will deal with you. Remove the clothes. You're looking at me. My face doesn't tell your face, so I'm not scared of you. I don't want to see this stupid singlet. Give me the clothes. Rubbish. Next time, you try to raise shoulders up for me. I will do more than this. But for now, let's go to the farm.
Okay.
Let's go.
As we move now.
Move to the farm. Move to the farm. Look at that. You see, go with him. Hit his shoulder.
As you're in
the big boy. You can't name a big boy. Idiot. You mess. This way. Come, sit down for me. I'll start going from there.
God have mercy upon us.
From here, from here. Can't you that car is coming? Do you want to spoil people's car? Eh? With the way you are feeling the boom. What is the stone? Hit the car and spoil the car. You don't expect me to pay for it. Eh? Come on, keep sweeping.
Can I know my offense? Can I know my offense?
Nonsense. My friend, stop pushing that gate. Stop pushing it. Stop it! You are crying. Pain, I cannot. If I have pain now, I will bite you. Continue sweeping. I say continue sweeping. Mama, Piaget Golu. I will bite you, eh? I will bite you. Oh, yeah, come on. Come out. Hey! You push me down. Eh? You push me down. Oh, yeah, carry me up. Oh, yeah, go and continue. How are you doing your work? Hello? Stop. Leave. Let's move forward. Leave that place.
God have mercy upon us.
My friend, if I pause it, you pause it. Let's continue from here. Sweep that place very well. What's your problem? If you let car jam you, I don't care. Sweep it. From there. So if I said I can kill you, you guys let them kill you. So it's time the one that killed you.
Yeah, it's good in everything we
From here. Go back. Come on. Oh yeah.
Wetin be this?
Jesus Christ. My crown. Gibran, Iberi, I called this very emergency meeting for a particular reason. And I am not happy with anyone in this compound. I am not happy that all of you will watch Bestem kill me. Not all of you will stay alive and watch Bestem kill him. Look at Bestem and he's killing me in my dream. Come up that umbrella and come to this place. Never up that umbrella and come to this place.
But I don't understand. How is this our fault? Why will you be angry with us?
No, you people were in this compound. And you watch Bestem kill me in my dream. I'm looking at you, you want to kill me in my dream. I will kill you first. Sit down, my friend. Come on, sit down.
Wetin be this?
No, I was looking at you, you want to kill me in my dream. But I will kill you first. I will make sure I make this life miserable for you.
Okay.
No, I will make this life miserable for you.
What have I done now? Sheriff, what have I done?
If you talk nonsense, I will.
Easy. Hey. Calm down. Like, what's going on? You have not really told us what's going on.
I could have killed a lot.
This boy want to kill me. This boy is planning to kill for me.
In your dream?
Yes.
Come out. I'll beat you now.
Why you ask me my dream? No, this boy want to kill me. This boy stripped me my royalty. This boy took everything I have.
I will scatter you just now.
And he was giving me hard labor. Can you imagine this idiot? Slave is giving me hard labor. The slave is giving the master hard labor. Now let me tell you, I don't want any side talk. I don't want to hear from anybody. I want to take my decision, and my decision stands.
Okay, don't make that mistake.
From today onwards, mistake, you will never sleep. You will never sleep because once I allow you to sleep, you start planning evil. They say you will not sleep.
Wait, Mr. Azu. In my own house, like I paid rent in this company. You say I will not sleep in my. Why now?
All right, listen, go and sleep.
Okay.
We do respect. I'm dropping the caretaker sheet. Let's go to court. Where's my phone? Call Abambo. Call Abambo. I cannot take this thing.
God have mercy upon us.
I think you are handling this in a little bit too rough. It's just a dream.
No! Gabriel, I wish you in that dream. If you're in that dream, you not tell me I'm handling too rough. This boy is full of evil. The this boy, you are full of evil. But today I will tell you I'm the lion himself. Listen. I am adding more labor to your work. You will automatically become a security in this compound.
Jesus!
You will not sleep. You will need an hourly security. What do I mean? The same, I'm giving you a bell from today.
Hey!
Every hour you ring a bell.
Can I know my
Every hour you ring a bell. Every hour you ring a bell till the day breaks. Now in the daytime, if you are not on the farm, if you are here in the compound, you will only sleep for 20 minutes. And those 20 minutes you are sleeping, I'll be right beside you.
Now why people know the help people with this?
I will be right beside you. You will have no peace in this compound. Because the little chance I get you to go and sleep, you don't start planning evil. The next time you come and fight me in my own dream.
God have
The same stripped me my royalty. So the same took my royalty. So I cannot give him any chance. And this is my verdict. No one can change it.
Hold this man in the first place.
How come me? You are annoying my husband. You are annoying. Say you speak, say you are annoying now. Say you free. And when you are not my problem. Madam, what is the way you are looking good now? Amo, there's one thing wey remainder. This your nails, when you feel like this, where they long one, what is it for? What is the purpose?
God have mercy upon us.
And this thing, what you have it for house? I don't know whether we will sleep or sleep.
That's what they do for you.
Happy, this one is dream.
You gonna explain Taya.
What I say is another dream. But you call me dreaming, so I'm dreaming my own. Wait, so I have to wake up.
Come on, throw it out of it. Are you okay? My friend, throw it out of this place like idiot.
There is God in everything we are doing.
Imagine, don't do anything.
Can I know my offense?
If I'm to be very honest, these weeds are badly behaved.
If you talk nonsense, I'll slap you like idiot. Come on, and stop talking.
The weeds are badly behaved, my chief.
Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Come on, go to the next one.
In climbs, grass are not supposed to be this stubborn.
Come. What the law? One more word from you now, you see yourself. Are you stupid?
Like I'll kill!
Man part of you should be
Hey. Oh, yeah, pack it with your hand. Pack it. Come on, pack that with your hand. Now throw it here. Be useful.
In Senna climbs, these grasses are supposed to be well behaved. They are too stubborn.
This man!
Come back to this place. Come back to this place. Pack all.
You have to have capacity.
You think this place is a courtroom where you go and quote nonsense?
Wristwatch and cup of tea, oh.
Mr. This is not a resting place. Continue.
Let me rest more.
Continue.
Funny people.
Come to this side. Come to this side. Come this way now. Come on. I said, come this way. Fool. You don't want to use fool.
But I thought it was him that was doing this place now.
Can we at least get water, even if it's juice and some nuts? My chief, even if it's juice and some nuts. Every human should consider other humans' feelings. This is how we thrive as a nation.
Listen, you are behind me. Listen, you want to hear my wrath? Come on, continue this work. You want me to give you a special start thinking?
Can we at least have some juice and a little ice flakes?
I'm done here now.
It's been long hours of suffering.
Come, I have juice for you. Come and take juice. Now continue the juice. You continue. Fool.
This is man's inhumanity to man. This is a level of man's humanity to man.
Walk. Mr. Stop. Come on, walk. Lazy fool.
You pack this thing now. Why are you packing it here? Pack this and throw it away now.
Hey, come on, throw it, Papa. Throw it inside the bush.